Imagine riding down the road when, in a split second, something unexpected forces you to hit the brakes. Would you be ready? Emergency braking is not just a skill, it's a lifeline for every biker. Mastering emergency stops begins with understanding why they matter. The difference between a safe stop and a collision often comes down to confidence, technique, and preparation. It's not about speed, it's about control. Let's start with the basics. Before practicing, always check your bike's brakes and tires. Find a safe, open space with good traction. Gear up with protective equipment, a helmet, gloves, and armored clothing. Safety always comes first. Now, let's drill the fundamentals. Roll at a moderate pace, eyes focused ahead. Squeeze the front brake firmly and progressively, not abruptly. At the same time, press the rear brake gently. Remember, smooth and steady pressure prevents skidding and loss of control. Here's a crucial tip. Keep your arms relaxed, elbows slightly bent. This helps you absorb shock and maintain stability. Practice shifting your weight slightly back as you brake. It keeps the rear wheel grounded and avoids flips. A second drill. Simulate obstacles. Mark a spot and react to it, braking hard as soon as you see it. Repeat until it feels natural to respond quickly, keeping your bike straight. For final mastery, challenge yourself with variable surfaces, wet pavement, gravel, or sand. Each demands more finesse, so test your reaction, adjust pressure, and stay calm through every drill. The more you repeat these exercises, the more instinctive your response becomes. Emergency braking turns panic into precision. Every practice session boosts your control and safety. Take these techniques to heart. Practice regularly. Share them with fellow bikers, and make safer riding your mission. When seconds count, your training makes all the difference. Ride confident, ride prepared,